morning, dear students. I am B.S. Nadia, lecturer in English in Surat School, Mahendragarh. Dear students, in my previous YouTube video, I taught you how to write a notice and what important points should be taken into mind while writing or drafting a notice. Dear students, today we will prove all those important points through an example. Yes, dear students, notice writing. There is an example of how to write a notice. Suppose you are Manav or Manvi, president of music club, APM Public School, Panipat. Your club is going to organize an inter-class singing competition. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting names of students who want to participate in it. Dear students, first of all, you should know that most of the information are there in the question. For example, you are Manav oblique Manvi. Your designation is the president of music club, and you are reading in APM public school Panipat. So first of all, dear students, I taught you already that you will write the name of the organization, name of the agency that's going to deliver the notice. So it is given already in the question, that's APM Public School, Panipat. So dear students, you will write APM Public School, Panipat. APM Public School, Panipat. You will write in capital form, or you can write the first word of each letter in capital form, of each word in capital form, but it will be better if you write all the letters in capital form. So this is the name of the organization, APM Public School, Panipat. Then dear students, you will mention the dates. Today 19th August 2020. Dear students, there are two formats. We can write the date in two formats. Either you can write in this way, or you can write August 9, 2020. You can write either in this way or in this way. And after that you will write the word notice followed by the heading. You will write the word notice in capital form, and after that you will write the title, heading, headline that is given in the question, and inter-school singing competition. Yes, you will write inter-school inter-class, sorry, it is given inter-class singing competition. So dear students, your heading should be very attractive. Your heading should be a very effective one. It should attract the attention of the reader. Inter-class singing competition, and it should also prove the all the material of an notice. So you will write inter-class singing competition. First of all, you will write the name of the agency, school, organization, that is APM Public School, Panipat. After that, you will write the date on which we are going to write the notice, that's 9th August 2020. After that, you will write the word notice, and then you will give a proper heading to the notice, inter-class singing competition, and then you will start the notice. Yes, dear one. All the students the students are hereby informed that, dear students, one thing to be noticed, that if it is given the name of the club, society, so at that time you will write that one. Here is already given music club, and then you will write ABM Public School. So all the students are hereby informed that the music club of this school. There is no need to write the name of the school again. You will write this school. It means the school which has been mentioned already. All the students are hereby informed that the music club of the school is going to organize an inter-class singing competition. You will write S in capital form. Inter-class singing competition for the classes ninth, 10th and 11th on 21st August 2020 in the school auditorium. Dear student, don't forget to mention the three things: what, where and when. What? It means inter-class singing competition, and that will be organized for the classes mentioned 9th, 10th and 11th, and on which day? On 21st August 2020 in the school auditorium. Dear students, one thing to be noticed, that you will write the date which you wrote in the beginning of the notice. There should be a proper gap between this and that one. At least there should be a gap of about 10 days or a week in the school auditorium. The students who want to participate in this competition should give their names through their class teachers to the undersigned. Let us write that is going to be organized on 21st of August, so you will write here 15th of this month. Yes. After that, yes, dear student, after that, for more information, for more details, for more information, please contact to the undersigned. Then you write the name Manav, either you are Manav or Manvi, it is given in the question. Then you will write the designation You write the name followed by designation, president, music club, or you can also write the name of the institute. So dear students, first of all you will write the name of the institute. After that you will mention the date, then notice, then the heading, and then you will start. All the students are hereby informed, or you can start. This is to inform all the students that the music club of the school is going to organize an inter-school, inter-class singing competition for the classes 9th, 10th and 11th on 21st August 2020 in the auditorium. In the school auditorium, I need to say. The students, you can write in the school auditorium. The students who want to participate in the competition should give their names through their class teachers to the undersigned latest by 15th of this month. For more details, please contact to the undersigned. Dear student, after giving all the information, you will put this notice inside a box. I mean to say, put all the information inside a box. You will make a proper box with the help of the pencil. This is all. And dear students, some points to be noticed that a notice is always written in passive voice. It is written in indirect speech. Don't use first person or second person pronouns. You will try to use the third person pronoun only. And it is written either in present tense or future tense. Don't use the past tense. And dear students, it should be precise and to the point. And don't forget to put the notice inside a box. And if you want to gain good marks, if you want to achieve better marks, dear students, you should attend to the word limit also. That is 50 words only. So dear students, this is something how to write a notice. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.